Hi everyone, is it possible to build an online business with zero follower? Let's find it out. I am going to open ChatGPT and ask this question. Hi ChatGPT, is it possible to build an online business? I completely shocked to saw the answer. Yes, is it possible to build an online business with zero followers? And ChatGPT just not only gave me the answer, but also it gave me how I can start online business. Let's pick this one and start. After spending few hours on research, I finally select I am going to pick digital product selling business. And I want to drive traffic from social media. That's why I'm going to open my Facebook and Instagram profile. Let's go. I quickly open my Facebook page and a Instagram profile with that and quickly. And of course, I want this Facebook profile and this Instagram account should be connected each other. That means that will helpful for getting traffic from Facebook and Instagram. Making a Facebook profile and an Instagram profile it's easy and it's completely free. If you want, you can use your own name that will be help you to increase your personal branding. But if you want to give another name that you want to build your company, then you need a logo and cover photo for Facebook and Instagram as well. If you don't know how to set up a complete business Facebook page and Instagram profile and add logo and cover photo and how to write the bio, then I will give a link on this video description. You can contact my team. I have a social media manager team that will help you to build your social media. So you can check out the link that I will give you on this video description, or you can inbox me on WhatsApp. The link I will give on this video description too. And keep in mind that building an online business is not too easy that you think. You need to be focused, you need proper skill, and you need to go on the right track. And of course, you need to hard work on with consistency. Then you will be successful. This is not the very short video that I am going to show you. I am going to making money every day, and I am going to build a business in a day. This is a step-by-step series tutorial that I am going to publish, guys. You have to wait and stay you with me. If you don't subscribe my channel yet, then I definitely recommend you to subscribe and hit the thumbs up, of course. And in the next couple of video, I'm going to show you what exactly need to build a digital product and how you can start marketing and how you can get traffic for free from social media, and how you can try convert your traffic to a customer. So that will be step by step process that I'm going to show you, and of course I will publish all the video series in my YouTube channel, and that will be completely free. So that's why I recommend you can subscribe to my channel. And that's all for today, that I wanted to show you how you can generate idea and how you can start your social media page for your on digital product selling business. And next couple of video I'm going to show you how you can try make a landing page, how you can make a product, and how you can start marketing. So see you on the next one. Till then, bye, have a great day.